If you're wondering what direct traffic is in Google Analytics and how you can fix it, well, this video is going to walk you through how you can categorize those visits into the right channels, and that way you can make informed decisions about your website. Let's get started. Analytics will show you traffic from several different mediums such as direct, organic search, paid search, referral, and social, and that's pretty easy to explain where those mediums are coming from. But direct is a little bit more of a mystery. Analytics defines direct traffic when no information about the referral source is available or when the referring source or search term has been configured to be ignored. That means if someone types or pastes in your URL or visits your site directly or clicks a bookmark, then that visit's going to be categorized as direct. Now that makes sense, but that's not the only instance of when Google Analytics cannot identify the source of your traffic. It might also be your email marketing campaign, the way it's configured. It might be traffic from an offline document like a PDF, Word, or whatever. Or it could be coming from social media that just can't be tracked like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. And it might be coming from referrals from HTTPS to HTTP, which is another reason why you need to have an SSL certificate. In GA4, you can see your site's direct traffic by going to Acquisition and then to Traffic Acquisition. If you'd like to see the pages that your direct traffic is landing on, you can go to Engagement and then Pages and Screens. When you get there, click the Add Comparison button at the top of the screen. Now a panel is going to appear on the right side. In the drop-down, start searching for Session Source and then choose it. Then in the Dimension Values drop-down, check the box next to Direct and click OK and then Apply. Next, you'll need to hover your mouse over the blue A at the top left of the screen and click the X to remove all users from your report. Now, if you scroll down to the table, you're looking at just the pages that your direct traffic visited. If you'd like to see the direct traffic landing pages instead of all pages, then you'll need to scroll over to the Event Count column and click the All Events drop-down beneath it, and then search for and choose First Visit. Then click the Event Count column to sort your pages by landing page views. Now you have a list of the pages your direct visitors are landing on. Now with this, you can think about why visitors might be landing directly on those pages and see if you can come up with ways to better categorize the traffic. In Universal Analytics, you can view your website's direct traffic by going to Acquisition and then to All Traffic and then go to Channels. To see the landing pages your direct traffic is landing on, just click on Direct from your Channels report. Identifying the exact source of your traffic is essential if you're going to be making informed decisions about your website. Now, the best way to fix direct traffic and move that traffic into the right bucket, so to speak, is to use campaign variables, or in other words, UTM codes. You can use campaign URLs anytime you want clicks to your site to be tracked to the correct channel. If your website is on WordPress, the MonsterInsights URL Builder is the easiest way to track your URLs with custom campaign variables. That way, you can identify the exact traffic source like email or a PDF and track the performance of your campaign. MonsterInsights is the best Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. It allows you to easily connect your WordPress site with Google Analytics, both Universal Analytics and GA4, and you can view all the data that matters most right on your WordPress dashboard. Plus, with a click of a button, you can set up sophisticated tracking features such as event tracking, e-commerce tracking, and form tracking. Plus, you can track custom dimensions, outbound links, and a whole lot more. To use the URL Builder tool, first install MonsterInsights. Then you'll find the tool by going to your admin sidebar and then going to Insights, then to Tools, and then just click the URL Builder tab. For more on using campaign URLs, be sure to check out our Beginner's Guide to UTM Parameters and how to use them. And that's it. Now, we hope this video has helped you to understand what direct traffic is and how you can fix it so you can correctly categorize your traffic and build your business. With MonsterInsights, you get the website stats that matter. See why we're used by more than 3 million websites. If you're not already using MonsterInsights, there's a discount link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content just like this. We'll see you next time.